Okay, I just came in from the bus, which is air conditioned, and camera got a little fogged up from the humidity out here, but we're going to take some boats along this river here. We're going to come out here and take a look down the river. I don't know which our boats are going to be, but we got a dock here, and the place where we're going, they said we don't have to wade in the water, so that sounds like a pretty good thing. And looks like we got canopy perhaps on the boats there. River looks calm. No rogue waves sighted yet. I don't see any.
Friend Marco is here.
I don't see any crocs here. I have to turn the front thing back on. I have it turned off here. But he's the bird man. We were telling him he was going to look for the
Marco
Taylor
from
Swifty.
Wisconsin.
All right. As pointed out, this is Bako Terminal here. That's what it says. So we're back on the river here. All right. I think it's a half hour on the boats or something here. I don't know. Well, we're on the boat now, and we're heading out. One of our guys up there, our drivers are back of us here doing an excellent job. And I got the steering wheel here, so I'm steering. I may be crazy for everybody else here, but there's a guy that's looking at me up there. Dragon from Game of Thrones right there. Doesn't it look like it? Sure does here. All right, let's get moving. We're coming into the dock. We don't have to get our feet wet
without having to take off our shoes off.
That's good, because I brought a towel with me just in case.
Oh yeah, I actually brought a small towel.
And we're at Taman, Negara, Bako National Park in Sarawak in Borneo. So we just came in on our boats out there, which are heading back, and now we're off into the jungle for points unknown. Who knows what we're going to see there, or what fate is going to meet us.